if you want to set a data limit for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open up your settings, find your connections tab. After that, we gotta locate our data usage tab. And in our data usage, let's find mobile data usage. Here it is. Tap here, you can see the list of your usage, right? So you can choose it by periods, monthly, weekly, so on and so forth. To set up a data warning or a data limit, tap on this gear icon. And here you'll see your set data warning. You can choose up a data warning. So in megabytes or in gigabytes, I will leave it on 2. It's fair. Now let's set a data limit. So simply tap on the switch and choose your data limit. So once again, in megabytes or gigabytes. And for example, let's set 10 gigabytes. Press set and basically that's it. If you want to turn it off, tap on the switch again, it will be turned off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.